Hello kids! Are you ready to play a fun color quiz? Let's see how many colors you can guess. Let's go! What color is this apple? Is it red, blue, or green? And the answer is red. Well done! You're amazing! What color is this banana? Is it green, yellow, or orange? The answer is yellow. Yay! You got it right. What color is the sky? Is it blue, black, or brown? And the answer is blue. Awesome! You're super smart. What color is this shirt? Is it gray, purple, or pink? The answer is pink. Great job, little genius. What color are these grapes? Is it purple, blue, or orange? And the answer is purple. Fantastic! You're doing great. What color is the tree? Is it yellow, green, or red? The answer is green. Wow, you really know your colors. What color is the panda's ear? Is it brown, pink, or black? The answer is black. Super smart. You're amazing. What color is the snow? Is it blue, white, or orange? The answer is white. You're awesome. Keep it up. What color is this chocolate? Is it purple, gray, or brown? And the answer is brown. Great memory. You're so clever. What color is this mango? Is it orange, red, or black? The answer is orange. Hooray! You're a color champion. Great job, everyone. You're amazing at colors. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and share the fun. Bye-bye.